take a look at this roof. It's definitely seen better days, but today we're giving it a fresh start with Dulux Acratex Metal Roof Renew. This is our latest innovation, purpose-built for metal roofs. It's designed to restore, protect and extend the life of roofs just like this one. We'll walk you through the whole process: prep, application and transformation.
Metal Roof Renew was developed to solve common spray challenges, especially in hot weather conditions. This product is designed for three things: reduce flashing, improve gloss consistency, and make application easier. It is a modified acrylic coating that rejuvenates aged metal roof and delivers long-term protection. With a wide range of colors, including Colorbond and Zinc Illume shades, it's ideal for projects like this one. Today we're using Basalt, a bold modern color that will give this roof a fresh premium look.
While the roof's being prepped with high pressure washing, let's take a moment to talk about why Metal Roof Renew is a game changer for applicators. This product isn't just about performance, it's about helping applicators grow their business and win more work. With smoother finishes, easier spray application and extended wet edge time, you get a premium result with less hassle. Metal Roof Renew helps you deliver quality with less hassle and more impact. Depending on the roof substrate and its condition, different preparation systems, products and primers or sealers may be required to ensure optimal bonding and long-term performance. Remember to follow the roof application guide to understand your substrate condition. Best practice is to inspect the roof thoroughly. If roof repairs are needed, complete them before coating begins. Skipping proper preparation can compromise the coating system's performance and lead to costly consequences.